Want to learn how you can solve issue Windows Update error encountered 0x80070422? Here's how you can do it. Follow these exact steps. Because of that, we are not able to install Adobe XD2.
Step 1.
Step 2. Open and set Startup Type Automatic, and tap on Start at Service Status, and Apply and OK changes.
Step 3.
Same steps again for Windows Event Log.
Step 4.
Same steps again for Windows Update. Step 5. Boom! Windows Update is working now. Download and install multiple downloads, and you are good to go. You might get multiple downloads. It's better to download and install them all. Please note that plug in the power cord if you are doing it in laptop, because if the power goes off, your Windows might get crashed. Also, you must need speed internet and patience to do it. SSD drive is highly recommended. It is fast in the SSD. If this tech tutorial was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more detail, you can visit our blog website www.evergreentechtips.com.